The heritage light fittings originally were going to be illuminated. At the moment, they're not quite sure if they will be, but we still have to take the glass out. So we've had to use WD-40, things like that, to loosen all the fixtures and fittings, take the glass out carefully. The ones that we've taken out are being hand washed using the Volpex cleaner that we've used on the panels, carefully brushing them, cleaning them, making sure they're nice and ready. There's about 14 odd pieces that are broken, and we've had to send pieces up north to have them re-templated and remade to match the existing. We're stacking them in their formats in a box so we can protect them. Then the actual metalwork to each heritage light will get rubbed down and will be painted gold as well to match the lay light. And on completion, we'll put all the glass back and they'll look as good as new.